Hello everyone and welcome to our group Hangout number 3. This is group MD Girls by Lexi, Julie, and Lindsay. The first tool that I'm going to talk about is Life Cubby. Life Cubby is a child's portfolio that can be started in early childhood, and it continues to document all of their learning stories as a lifelong journey. It celebrates early learning and connects life chapters for parents by giving them an account they can use forever. It currently has over 9 million entries and counting. It is secure, easy, research-based, and has free mobile apps. Life Cubby was created in 2010 and launched in 2011. Why use Life Cubby? It includes parent communication, portfolios, photos and videos, digital check-in and check-out, reports, meeting tracking, daily sheets, and lesson plans. Conclusion. Life Cubby is a great app that teachers can use to keep in contact with their students' parents. This app allows teachers to put in all sorts of things for their students to check, including the time students come in the morning, take pictures, make comments of how students are doing throughout the day, and even put in the meals that they've had throughout the day. The second tool is Common Core Standards. A creator for this tool couldn't be found, however, it is sold by Mastery Connect on iTunes. What is it? It is a free app. Common Core Standards is a great reference for students, parents, and teachers to easily read and understand the Common Core Standards. It includes the Math Standards K-12 and Language Arts Standards K-12. When was it created? It was copyrighted in 2011 and it was last updated on December 21st, 2016. Conclusion. Students, parents, and teachers can easily find standards by subject, grade, and subject category. Math standards include traditional and integrated pathways. Language arts includes language arts standards with the corresponding college and career readiness standards. The next tool I'm going to discuss is K-3 sight words. A creator couldn't be found, but it is Innovative Mobile Apps Ltd, and it is copyrighted by Alligator Apps. When was it created? It was last updated on October 29, 2013. What is it? It is made for ages 6 through 8. Sight words are an integral part in learning how to read. It contains 350 words that are broken into the appropriate age groups. It is important for young readers to be able to recognize these words in order to be fluent readers. Why you and your kids will love this app. You can add your own cards, add new lists. It has fun and engaging voices. It has 5 unique game modes from easy to challenging. It has an infant mode, and it has a customizable speed. Conclusion. This educational game is very fun, educational, and affordable. It is one of the most newly popular app developers for kids on the iPad. The fourth tool I'm going to discuss is Remind. Brett Kopp is the co-founder, David Kopp is a co-founder, and Brian Gray is the CEO. Remind 101 is used by an instructor in the classroom to send out homework and test reminders to parents. You can send quick, simple messages to any device for free. Features. You can have scheduled announcements, file attachments, office hours, co-teacher support, read receipts, and activity planning. Conclusion. Remind has the vision to give every student an opportunity to succeed. You can communicate faster, real-time messaging for your school or group, schedule reminders ahead of time. You can reach everyone you need to reach, send text messages straight to any phone, and translate messages into more than 70 languages. Be heard. See who's read your messages and who's missing out, and plan important activities and collect funds on time. The last tool I'm going to discuss is ABC Phonics Make a Word. There wasn't a creator found, but the seller is ABI Talk Incorporated on iTunes. What is it? It is a free app that supports both phonics and spelling. It is designed for children that are just beginning to read, mostly around the age of 6, and the words have short vowel sounds. It was copyrighted in 2012 and 2013. Features. Phonics, spelling, letter sound, short vowels, word family, animated spelling, capital versus lowercase, images and animations, bonus game, report cards, and awards. Conclusion. By building words, this game helps children recognize common word patterns. It helps understand how the initial consonant, middle vowels, and ending consonant affect a pronunciation. ABC Phonics Make a Word is an important stepping stone to becoming a proficient reader. And here are all the references to my tools.
The first app I'm going to be talking about is Splash Math. This app was created by StudyPad Incorporated, which is a Silicon Valley company. More information can be found on splashmath.com/aboutus. The purpose of this tool is to replace paper worksheets with fun games that can be played anytime and anywhere. This tool is easy to use because it can be accessed on iPads, laptops, or desktops. Once it is downloaded, you can use the same login on any device to pick up where you left off. This tool can be used as a way to help reinforce what was taught in class or as a way to review math topics that are gone over in class. This app was created on May 5th, 2014 and was last updated on March 29th, 2017. This tool is useful for teachers because it allows them to reinforce math concepts while still being fun. It is useful for students because they can access their account anywhere and have fun while learning. A teacher should use this tool to help their students learn math concepts while having fun. They should also use it because it is easily accessible for their students. This tool should be used to keep learning fun. It should be used to help students practice math concepts without the use of worksheets. It should also be used because it is easily accessible and you can log into your account on any device to further your progress. The next app I'm going to be talking about is Skyfish. This app was created by Knowbility. It was created by Nate Lipscomb, Donna Lipscomb, Shannon Lipscomb, and Jackson Lipscomb. More information can be found on knowbility.com/team. The purpose of this app is to give kids an exciting and fun way to practice letter recognition and beginning and ending sounds. This app is easy to use because it is accessible on an iPad, which is portable. It also guides the kids through the levels at their own pace. This can be used as a phonics station during station work. It can also be used as a general review of letter recognition. Skyfish was first released on June 13th, 2013, and there are no records of updates since the release. This app has a game-like feel that keeps kids entertained while they are still learning letter recognition and letter sounds. Teachers are able to receive feedback from multiple children directly through the app, so it is perfect for classroom use. A teacher should use this app because it is easy and fun to use for children. It also builds skills gradually, which is important when teaching children new things. This should be used because it is easy to access since it can be used on any Apple device. It should also be used because it guides children at their own pace and progresses gradually from basic letter recognition all the way up to building full words. This app is easy to use in a classroom because it gives teachers direct feedback on all of their students. The next app is Sparky's Birthday Surprise. So this app was created by the National Fire Protection Association, and more information can be found on nfpa.org. The purpose of this app is to teach children important fire safety skills while letting them be excited about preparing a surprise birthday party. This app is easy to use because it can be downloaded on any Apple product. It guides the children through a story with text highlighting, which makes it easy for them to follow along. This app can be used to teach fire safety skills. It can also be used to help children learn to read. It offers 3 storytelling modes for children of all different levels. This app was created on August 20th, 2013 and was last updated on October 8th, 2013. This tool is useful because it offers different levels of difficulty so students of all ages can learn about important fire safety skills. It also provides discussion questions to help produce conversation in the classroom. A teacher should use this tool because students get excited to plan a surprise birthday party, but while they are doing this, they are learning very crucial skills. It should also be used because it gives discussion questions that can get a conversation about fire safety started with the classroom or with parents. This app should be used because it is easy to access on any Apple device. It should also be used because it is fun for children to learn, and fire safety skills are very crucial to learn. It involves many fun activities, including mini games, interactive storytelling, and coloring pages. This app starts discussions about fire safety because of the discussion questions given. This is a discussion all homes and classrooms should have. The next app I'm doing is EduCreations. This app was created by EduCreations Incorporated, and more information can be found on educreations.com/about. The purpose of this app is to enable students and teachers to share ideas, collaborate, and learn new things. This tool is easy to use because it is accessible anywhere. You can upload content directly from Dropbox, Google Drive, or any other web page. The videos created are automatically saved and can be shared on many different sites such as Dropbox and Edmodo. This can be used to share ideas between teachers and students, as both can upload videos and send to each other. It allows for communication with students who may not be in the classroom all the time. It can also be used to teach students who may be out sick or on a vacation. It was originally released on December 11, 2011, and was last updated on April 1, 2017. This app is useful because it allows teachers and students to make and view videos from anywhere. This means students can learn at their own pace and teachers can respond to their response videos with feedback. Teachers should use this because it is easily accessible. It is also easy to use and allows teachers to upload their own content off of Google Drive or Dropbox. This app should be used because it allows teachers to teach from anywhere. They can teach their lesson and it is instantly available for sharing. It should also be used because it can help save time in class. If students are able to watch the videos independently with a teacher present in the classroom, it allows them to get one-on-one help rather than their teacher teaching the whole class without time for one-on-one interactions. This app allows students to learn at their own pace and allows them to replay videos if they do not grasp a concept the first time they watch it. And the last app I'm doing is Pizza Fractions. This app was created by Brian West, and more information can be found on brianwestapps.com. The purpose of this tool is to get the child playing it to master the content of naming simple fractions. This app is easy to use because it can be used on either iPhone or iPad. It allows students to pick their difficulty and lets them progress as they learn. This app can be used to give students a visual of fractions. It can also be used as a way of reviewing things they have learned about fractions in class. Pizza Fractions was released on May 31st, 2010 and was last updated on September 23rd, 2013. This app is useful because it gives students a visual tool to use to learn fractions, which is a concept many students struggle with. Teachers should use this tool to help reinforce fraction lessons being taught in class. This app allows students to learn a difficult concept in a fun way that allows them to choose their difficulty. This app should be used because it allows students to choose their own difficulty and progresses as they get better. It should also be used because it is easily accessible on any iPad or iPhone. This app allows students to get a visual representation of fractions, which is one of the things students find to be most difficult. Using this app can make them have a more concrete understanding of fractions and how they work.
My app was Counting Money. Who? The developer of this app was Robert King. Any additional information can be found at this website. What? The purpose of this tool is to help people of all ages count money. The tool is easy to use because there are only 3 parts to it. The game allows you to choose the difficulty you desire to play. The possibilities of this tool is that students are able to learn about money and the value of money. When? The tool was created in April of 2011, and the tool was last updated in July of 2012. Why? This tool is useful for students and teachers because it allows students to learn how to count dollars and coins. The teacher is able to have students virtually see how money is counted. Teachers should use this tool because it makes learning about money fun for students. This tool will give a good foundation in teaching them about money and the value of money. Conclusion. This tool allows for students to develop knowledge and skills of how to use money. This tool will promote students to start understanding financial concepts. This tool will allow for students to be able to add and subtract coins and dollars. There are games in which students can play to enhance their knowledge on how to count money and coins. Here's a reference to this app. The next one is Book Creator, who over 300 ambassadors around the world help shape the future of Book Creator, giving feedback on early beta releases and other ideas. To find out more information, you can go to this website to learn about all the different ambassadors. What? The purpose of this tool is for students or teachers to be able to design their own book using iPad, Androids, or Windows products. This tool is easy to use because it takes you step by step through the process of creating your own virtual book. The possibilities of this tool is that students or teachers are able to design their own stories in their own way by using Book Creator. When? It is unknown when this tool was created, but it was last updated in January of 2017. Why? The tool is useful because it gives the students the opportunity to create their own book and story any way they design it. Teachers can use this tool to enhance student engagement in book reading by having them create their own book. This tool should be used because it can help with guided reading. This tool should be used because you can see formative assessment by having students create their own book. And this tool should be used because Book Creator can help demonstrate a deeper understanding of text. And here's the reference. The next app is Google Earth. Google Earth is a virtual globe map and geographical information program that was originally called Earth Viewer 3D, created by Keyhole, Inc., a central intelligence agency. And to find out more information on the agency, you can go to this website. Google Earth is a geo-browser that accesses satellite and aerial imagery, ocean bathymetry, and other geographical data over the internet to represent the Earth as a three-dimensional globe. Google Earth lets you fly anywhere on Earth to view satellite imagery, maps, tools, in addition to all the easy-to-use features and imagery of Google Earth. Google Earth's possibilities can be used for discovery of new places and what those places look like. Google Earth was created in June 11, 2001. This tool was last updated in 2016. Google Earth is easy to use, and students can get a great deal of information that applies to topics that are addressed in such courses like science. Teachers can use this tool to facilitate understanding of the Earth system and the subject areas that comprise it. Conclusion: this tool presents a great deal of information in a geographic context. This tool should be used because it's easy to install and use. This tool is an excellent venue for inquiry-based activities. And here's the reference to that tool. The next tool is ABC letter tracing. The creator and seller of this tool is Critical Matter Inc. To find out more information about Critical Matter Inc., you can go to this website. ABC letter tracing is a fantastic and completely free application for children learning to write and recognize their ABCs. This tool is easy to use because you trace both uppercase and lowercase letters with a touch of a finger. The possibilities of this tool is for students who are learning how to write their letters can have practice doing so with this tool. It is unknown when this tool was created, but it was last updated in January of 2011. This tool is useful for students because it contains uppercase and lowercase letter pair, an illustration of an object to accompany the letter, and a voiceover to say the letter and the sound of the letter. This tool can be used to help teach students letter recognition as well as learning how to write. This tool should be used to encourage students to write letters from which can improve their communication, social, and handwriting skills. This tool should be used to give students practice with the fine arts of letter writing. And this tool should be used to see students can not only learn how to write a letter, but hear the sound the letters make, as well as how the letter is said. And here's a reference to that tool. And this tool is Build It Up. The creator of this tool is Jerome Saray. To find out more information, you can go to this website. iTouch covers math, language arts curricula from grade 1 to grade 5. Science is also included from grade 3 to grade 5. iTouch Elementary is a full learning solution which helps parents, teachers, and students to identify and address their learning needs in a fun, motivating way. The tool is easy to use because lessons are clear and well designed to address the Common Core standards. Examples are included. Questions are also well written and assess the Common Core standards in a number of different formats, including multiple choice, fill-in, and highlight formats. The possibilities are endless with this tool. One can use this tool in any subject at grade level. If one needs help with testing, this tool can provide the help to those students who are struggling with a particular subject. The tool was founded in 2011. The tool was last updated in March 2017. Teacher can use the various iTouch applications to reinforce topics and strategies that I have previously. Students should use iTouch apps because it allows students to practice at their own pace on various skill sets. This tool should be used because of features of the app that asks questions in a variety of different question formats. It does not rely only on multiple choice responses, but also includes questions where students must type in a response. This tool should be used because iTouch is very user-friendly and appropriate for the grade levels offered. It is beneficial to keep track of students' scores, but also providing students with immediate feedback. This tool should be used because it is visual, motivating, allows for self-practice, and offers quality lessons in so many different topics. And here's a reference to this tool. Thank you for watching MD Girls. We hope you enjoyed our video.